I started taking everybody's circumcisions on. People would say, "Oh, Henry, would you do mine?" I'd say, "Yes." So by the time 3 years went by, I had done about 150, 175 circumcisions and felt pretty comfortable with it. And then a teacher, one of my faculty said to me that he'd like me to be the Mohel at his son's bris. His wife was pregnant. I said, "That's so nice." He said, "Well, I've seen you do many of them and you're very good at it, so you'll come and do it." I said, "That's great. I'm looking forward to it." So his wife has a baby and the bris is, whenever it is. And that morning I think to myself, gee, I wonder who the rabbi's going to be. And so I call him up and I say, "So David, who's the rabbi? I suppose I should call him." He said, "What do you mean, who's the rabbi? Aren't you doing the ceremony too?" And I said, "Oh, sure, that would be just fine." And my stomach got twisted up in knots, and I ran to the Jewish catalog, the first Jewish catalog, which has the whole brit milah ceremony, and I Xeroxed it. And with shaking hands and a tremor in my heart, I sort of read my way through my first brit milah. And the circumcision was the easiest part of the whole thing. And I guess I did okay. And that was sort of the start of this career as a Mohel. And, to fast forward, I'll say I've done over 1,000 circumcisions.